everyone. Happy Veterans Day. So I'm going to be reviewing Metal Gear Solid 2 Sons of Liberty. Now, I do believe Metal Gear Solid is getting a movie soon. I'm hoping. So in this game you play Snake for the opening mission. And then after that you switch characters to Raiden. You're in a massive oil rig, going around, sneaking around, collecting weapons, this and that. The bosses are fun, though it is kind of easy to, if it's wet, you can actually slip off the oil rig and instantly die. I hate that. You can also upgrade your climbing ability. You can actually climb up on a pole, and there's a meter that drains. You can level that up by doing pull-ups, which is cool. I find that fun. I don't think you do that in any other Metal Gear Solid game. I gotta play Metal Gear Solid again. I might get the ones for the PS4. Phantom Pain, I think it was called, in Metal Gear Solid 5, which I think is the quickest, but The Rock. Huh. Alright, so the game is interesting, to say the least. I believe I have this game for the Xbox. There is a difference. Xbox has extra missions. That's fun. I think it has extra bonus features. I kind of don't like how the back says Snake is back, and it makes you think you're playing as Solid Snake throughout the entire game, which is no, you are not. You play as Snake roughly 40 minutes out of a 8, maybe 9 hour game. Well, actually, it's probably more than that. It's probably 11-hour game, but still. And then he switches Raiden. Kind of a little bit deceiving. You do get a sword as Raiden, which is cool. Let's see, who are the bosses? Vamp. Hate the boss. Vamp. The Miss Fortune, I think her name was. Who was immune to bullets. The final boss. Oh, you have to fight Fat Man. I hate that boss as he throws bombs everywhere. He has rollerblades rolling around and kind of a very easy boss fight. Kind of, but not really. He's rolling around everywhere with rollerblades, and there were a lot of places for him to hide. A lot of crates everywhere. Let's see. Which on old vengeful foes? The game is fun, but Raiden is a good character to play as, and he's very interesting. I should play the other ones he's in. Alright. Anyway, so I hope everyone has Alright, so it's a standard Metal Gear Solid game. Sneak around. You get spotted, enemies swarming, making it much harder. There is a bonus thing, like an extra story mode you can do, which is a bit fun. You do play Snake in this extra bonus non-canon story. Let's see. Oh, this game you have to constantly get like a key code and key card to keep going back and forth to get good weapons, machine guns, shotguns, all of that. There's a lot of going back and forth in this game. It does get very annoying. I have to do that. Oh, yeah. It's still a fun game. Bye.